In front of me is POCO F5 Pro, and today I would like to show you where you can locate all your downloads. First of all, you need to find an app called File Manager. When you find it, click on it. Now scroll all the way down and click on Agree and Continue. Then hit Allow. And finally select Cancel or Try in the New Feature pop-up. Lastly, tap on this folder icon at the top right corner. Click on Download. And as you can see, all my downloaded files are over here. If you want to access one, just click on it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!